Uyakimo mwancho mu ligereri na inde litukulia lero ntole negesio kugendera koletera murobeli ISIKO ya ABISI ne litukulia lero niko tule ya master mokuru chinse mo chinyatike ward ya tabaka bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii na ayo otoirororo oyikose oyo twaligania asomurobeli ISIKO ya ABISI munabotambe to ikaransko ya ABISI to kondre ISIKO ya ABISI na boigo twaresera amange ISIKO ya ABISI talionde kogwetania oyo omujumbe omukoro bwebunge ya South Mugirango omoske James OMINGO MAGARA uyu naende oberega koligia ekirokyo bo senator ase county ya Kisii uyu twanyaleka watakonyola libaga kigima kumwarigania ase TV yetu ya Getembe imeyo moroboli oiga je nigo ngoroku HARON OTOTO nyangiri magaje kamera nigo akorokwa Eric Abuga nabo igo Josephat Sungura igo kabana intu huika omoelio litanga kigima ngwarigania omweshimiwa ase egetaseni ya Getembe erekonyo twariganiria ase omochioe kolende na ino nabako barigani linde monyaleka ba mugotobwate karibu mweshimiwa.
Jambo sana.
Bwana awinye na kwalika Getembe na ibano twaligani bwo.
Biamono abaligere ba Getembe TV nabo na beno moka soko karibisha abasani bane kurwa Getembe TV na mwiwe nga inkamore ekyagara ase nyumba y'oburai mirango ekorwa nendagara yabutabana kuragira.
Asante sana.
Karibu sana.
Twalira maemba maya sana soko chakira biamone soko twaligani talibonse bago twaligani nantare bonse bago takokwanira ISIKO ya ABISI abange bago takabata bangakara aliese bali kwenda kwa mwakwanira ramangana ya ABISI oka egibonli bagatwanyalira ISIKO twarenga biamone soko twaligani asomoroboli gamuna botambe niko mweshimwa tokoligereria igoro kubwa mono niko tokochaka koligereria igoro memory yawe ntangani kigima asoboga mabwega bwense na memory unige gochaka litangani esoko twara samali ta once ase obwagare abange bamete OMINGO MAGARA na liri kumete mono na aro maita ko nyali ma ne bogota malita bakana na tano chakira
enche ngoro kwa esa malita rege bande James OMINGO MAGARA lakini mnatokona kusuka moja kwa nyaranga habuchire egatoka ngabuto irage nkabwa ngambo mu Afrika boronga OMINGO MAGARA na limanyire mano lakini officially ngoro kwa James OMINGO MAGARA na ambia rega ega sema ya Mugirango mate kinyoroge goro kwa Bumarongo Nyatike Hill se ward ya tabaka South Mugirango constituency sana ngo mujumbe semi yake makoro ngawo tukobe komune tano se wona gambo to June do miaka 15 since I left office.
Wekima na aiso go chakira kigima memory yawe ntangani kigima korwese obwana bwa onereria iga
akinko nyore getagano kulisi chomba wanakina we to asa familia bantu komune babere and nchidana ngatikati konyora kule number 6 okukosole chize mochose okobe defender kwa goalkeeper and kwa striker so nakonya gutuma tubwango kwa minyoka kwa kora muneta keire and kukukina sabande barabanene girokene na ogwa atumwa na abali abanene no mwako gutuma na amino bango gutuma watu go ikobe very active ya ngate ubura yani mokia bo yakorere bintu gutuma chinguru cyane okora so entege tangana nginyorete munango kina other go high school the other ikaside cyanga bunabono wajigura buruga cinye tuma wasoko turachikawa lakini kiarenge more striking no kolisi wechomba itukolera ko bali tambe sana to ja kolisi ko mambaka moroho
nande sogere chombe njenga ya moiberiga
tare na into tiri go suwa obeke ngombe ngolio mwaka ne biranya so otware ko bato go chirisi free range kana go rescue mwana na jisamu kisitu waso wano ndoso we ko nyanga yitu kuli apeli konsana go lisi chomba was the biggest trouble asende kana ngonyuro bwana nega tara go enjoy mono Friday evening
kolisi yomba yakabara nakara after kwa kolisi yomba ta mabere bali bali chomba litukena bako nyore priority
ngonyora kwa ngendo mungina kwa nyoranga na bako kubekera kachieto ikigaro mbona ndo chonyora mbuko kolisi chomba kama sababu kolisi ngombe ne bwate kirimo kuli
take chiko tamuka chika sokwa bana lebo
bona buno michande kalenge nja ikigaro mwaka lero kukanywa chakera chi achine report yakanga chanyara chali kwa nyarebe mupiro twa kuchi yasego so chase ego so ya bana ende mi bato baka gidire chibango chabo bono ogorwa yatambuka yana mugondo ebiranya mose Roke no mwaka to beke biranya. Ngakindu agachanga iswa ndo akabekire to arenge shadow arenge complete.
Shati ndambe.
Bono manye granya ko yo buru ngubute kumubere. So ekaranga display ga to ya to konyora. Na Bible. Nande gonkwane ngemwana ko Bible yo. Nona jirani biranya ko beka.
Nande jirani ara goita.
Kai chobe buya. Kinyoro keroro. Na
eri totebe buya iga mwaka kyo yorenge nande miaka renga iga kwarenge chinga kicho.
Enga yoza kawangoja miaka alitoka chile skulu kula sana miaka 6-7. Enga to about 1969-70 hapo. Naitwa chako nyoro fukira boidu. Tukanyora toka jake skulu kare nkwara ko ande skulu ko ngane miaka yo kabusa. The only gauge kwara ko ande skulu you kwara go stretch your hand bako buate ko buate ko igero ko to like ko kare skulu. So it was about 6-7 years at the school and to about nasari to arenge kogana
wana nsukuru ke gwasomata
nasomete digera primary ngachakira work behind here lakini njango kuyego kama hata na basungu bakabairaria at the mission ngangere ngaribu nanga naona abera ngere na kama rigera primary school no adwa soma from class 1 to 7 tukora kurwalia ngamya kugenda igonga secondary school de Bonchari for 1 year naro ngambi yangendia tukaliva ka form 2 ngachaka form 2 Nduru Boys High School na nakora form 5 from Nduru Boys
igabona samangana secondary ne ayo somete ya kawaida ya 844
ya yoto somete 7 4 2 and 3
igo korunduru agaro kweta form korunduru okaenda
na Nduru both of us ngakeyo akara nakora form 4 ikatoka nga no form 4 level ya my father retire. My late brother who was a member before me and ngo chumbe before us intraba ikatoka no monenare ngatabunga ya bono kokoro mokega choro alisia injigo isana
ayo machira ndo yo mara
okero mwango ritaye tikatoka onyo yo magora ragenda umanye gochugocha na iyo bagari gotoka na bora agenda so agera kagana form 5 and 6 njenga swa kukorega asiga my brother kachakanga Nairobi ngachakanyoleka bado kyo Bukarani bona alibona ikuli ya Bukarani basabokega lakini charengene value sana bono ngakora na inche mbelemo as my brother ogenda tokora gasi karako na form 4 touch go succeed kwa the university bona erenga akatoka tikabona chake mbelemo buna chake mbelemo ngabata bona inche bro we congress school
bona
akatoka onchorania that time of course kaina lose
kairane mbelemo kairane
did you go a bit call for you to university and you could not be admitted you could lose that opportunity so I had to go to India for my degree certificate but before traganda boidi kango gorembemo I loved accounting and mathematics ngachaka kokora accounts SNC stage 1 and 2 yegotoka CPA ngaratika nganda bwango tambo kemoino ngaganda boidi I came back with a bachelor of commerce accounting option wa 19 karane merumu
igo omwaka yo cheta boindi mwaka ki
1983 paka 87
ugakole miaka 4 boindi
miaka etato strict 83 ngacha 87 unataka gatigadi so it was actually about 3 years strictly at work
na nyuma thara na bono tata koligereri ko after life after India bono yitota na life after school
to wale that's for school
iga ekarpo alenge school za chinde ngakyobo mabwe school bwarenge igoro ya mangana ya sports ya mangana ye bintu binde ko curricular activities at school
I kana chandu what I interested me more about a farm your school we are dairy farm nanchi sana bungaro polisi uchinga na de chombe chiga no eto arege chiga ubanga na cherenge mechando na to ko chere ko ni to chere school chimboli so nduntu about gwere de farm ona akatagira na farm so I go to the Crystal Club maybe the ines how ko ringa
na fo ke grab na yarenge jingurwanya yarengo
sorry
fo ke grab
bono rigo no spacing yendagera jango ngakyo ngakyo gore you know even milking kama no ko boko ngakyo machine chane ngoro it making very interesting. When I was young, I had a challenge with Okokwane. So nothing. I used to do football. So I what a change no guru. When you come up here later, I give on. I got to go to Chias and go to Ngari. Mangana go to some board. I was a bit careful. Kubacha and the work on the Patagate. You do Tamboka. So, but I enjoyed agriculture mono. Na you for club. Na dairy farm. To mwalimu Kimeto wasome granja bya sana
ndeka to kulikira no mboga abakora ngo bole mimbo irete meli sana ngoreka na bole to konyali bakana to koro kyo mulikira ribi bere bitatoiga
na botu kuta tore mama to kenaro kira kemongo na jincho genjiro na kimto byo nkora tore ina uri tulwa
bon 1987 kwerende ku India karwende ku India na madeskwisi karamonda reskura mangana yo gotama kinaro amangana yo go agostura ngore sikoga wana kukwera na kuruindia ngaki against say a reality against expectation ya ngabana wa college school
bono contrary to what you are saying ngakeri ntwara kulikimera mawoyonka no kurwa university wa the public service commission wa your form kwa kanyamuse bono na yabeire patika abantu muna bari ngina Nairobi University for example muna wakora attachment no kujya gwatikairo bayito gocha tukanyereire mabagara aliyo urangiri ngakyuja bwango gocha kegas so ngachuri goyatanga na boindi na kode Kenya income tax department and the Ministry of Finance kwa mnaira na nkabega sina rengi but that experience must be plowed back ngara na KRA sorry income tax ukila became KRA ikomere mutini
kuna wete boindi ocha sote mermolio
mose engakinyo go dumukatwa kaiga na go chudie form
abantu manyeka yene wane mwenge buja
ya ne ringa ki onye ndi serious with ourselves which na to kwana baadaye which na tu gukina which maega kaga bozi to so ngabo tukatupira sebwenda kobera we dropped the ball somewhere
bana igwasa bone meremo ya tekoro income tax whatever ku KRA bona na nga experience kimeremo KRA ngana awrong kwa wagetese kyombeke go se a company tojero kuna ne company institution ya
troji ona na chito wino na kora accounts clerk ngakora nga manage nga push to accounting bana mnacha kurwalia ngasomeremo at a fairly high level. It was a bit interesting. Kera badana nangu karana barabu, bono ngacha kawe boss ya barabu, and it was a bit of a challenge to mix up, to blend. But to my time, I go James. Rabu no na titi manyinga bagara opposite. We blend very well with anybody. Ona manyinga moto opposite. Wako bega ona engietare. Ona go to na bega. So we the moto were just quickly. Ngaswali na badaba kolonga kiranda moto aji go to berega. I just developed the teamwork. Ngachaka naende kwa now as a sister trainee. You know to look at the accounts, audit accounts, determine which determine income you monto from books of accounts. So ngachaka trainee, I grew into assessor 2, but also my growth was fairly fast. And by God's grace and of course hard work. No matter and particularly the academic, the type of knowledge and expertise we got from that country. Kwa konyorange bintevinge ibona kulia computer okonyera kwa kresabu ga asokire na ba Congo sabu chiri. So I fairly grew a bit fast. Ngakina through the ranks. I retired then in 2000 after I lost my brother. So I grew from assessor 1 to assessor trainee, assessor 2, assessor 1, senior assessor, and senior assistant commissioner. I skipped about 2. Yeah, you changed from KRA, and I think one of our major success stories is to transit from Kenya Revenue Authority from income tax separate customs and VAT to collapse into one entity called Kenya Revenue Authority, Parastatal. And the transition was a bit turbulent. Resist change, but we were lucky that to manage to succeed kaba entity, and of course we to set very good standards. In fact, until recently KRA never to use the benchmarking the successful or an entity or a corporation. KRA was a case study.
Na kolengano mugano yuga korkinga ekwabereta ng'emiaka 13 ase kwende gosese kiombegi Kenya Revenue Authority. Na kwa mentioninga ochete kolita gurkiare chingaki endugu ya umweshimiwa Enoch asireti mabwaye na zachinde gabon na utogere na maiga ke kora kara asireti mabwaye na libono gwasa siasa.
That's right.
Zachinde kur maiga ngo abwate karangera gia siasa gosora tukurera ke goigoro ya
no, not really. And now what my passion was when I was growing up, that no. And by the way, diplomacy or Kenya Air Force, because I also like people flying and all. But I get a mono no can be again. On Friday evenings, every Friday evening, we used to have a camp meeting, and never pass into the area of Community District to go to host. But I don't think about that. So ikatoka bosani bwa bukile sana ngatakanga jeshi my father akakana, but yonaga into this area of study accounts and whatever ngachaka na rubuindi kana tinda akora nkanyora few exemptions ngakora CPA kandi mirimo bunango kinega igonkonde CPA. Of course now my fellow of FCPA which is equivalent to the fellow to the senior counsel in law. So I never had a dream of getting into politics, but I liked people. You abosani tugwaro isia mwana ugwara na mondo nabana yaguru nguru Nairobi kanguru nyabiga asa mwako berawoja. It took me about 3 hours. You ganjira gwa ko debe ko deba mwasanga manyara makore ebono. So I didn't dream of getting into politics. So kero apakaka my brother ide kero against all odds, and David Kombo, senior politician seasoned. Mujumbe, and our colleagues in a very explosive manner. Our colleagues in Guyana come and so that was the most difficult thing to do. Because the senior Senate Commissioner, Kenya Revenue Authority, a department of VAT, very senior position. 2000 October. Between October, of course, barring him, and then make a decision whether to run or not to run. October to December, beginning of October, end of November was the longest month in my life. So you had to run through the motion of losing a loved one, and it was extremely heavy. And I think it was the first loss in our family. You know how it takes you. When I got to a guy, I told Kora, Baga and Bago Chavatanga, Mumuro, Kodember, Membia, Moaga, Tomwana. My mother almost screamed to the Akataguane, Matameno, Kerabonga, Kilatumu, Akata example with the Uguatumiro Manarochi, and Yangaunero Yamuri. Nanotumo on this Gurika, it was very heavy for sure. But my father, being who he was, a very brave man, may all rest his soul in eternal peace, and I think he's a pillar. He will come away to. It what the impact in the whole life of a child. Almost such a argument could was you. Mwanchiro mwane ombo magachakata omoto yo we dunda ria rusiri muri gwanza yona takana endo rusiri ndaro kyara na wada atoko na buganza was coming through the family. As I told you, we were 12 in number, 6 brothers and 6 sisters. So we're left now 5. The eldest brother was working, and I think he was about to retire or something. oyo ndo kabiri bakabwate baka bono bako that hierarchy ekero baika boka bagenda bakatanga bono because I think it's because of that enche yo kutukuna kusangala isiga bakatanga toera liyo naongo chiko batanga bana
na pado turatika minimum
in fact I was go ba berenga gaki
mirimo esende
inche now oyo chire I could be having the best jobs, the highest job in our family. So if I am what you get, mwana wancha moire, and then there was a younger brother, late Titus, a very vibrant young man. Actually, I was proposing again. When you want to get in, you Moshu Murusha, it's you or none. What do you imagine? Then I don't have any promoted in me, Kevere. Umbate Gadi put your fire on Karakumaya, Umbokono competing a Kenya, I got the Korangana. Finally, they said I have to do it, and they did Ganchanga Togo at the middle. Abagrango, Bakama Gramaskani, they never let us down.
So you had to resign?
I had to resign. And you know, I didn't have a pension, so I lost everything. Still young, I don't know. Magara work as out. I say 50 plus. So I I lost everything. But I said then for good of country, to go to me. Ngacha, you know I'm a manager who go direct him to Biaba. Bona chira aso quad just paka koso asabanto. Luckily na what that beyond. It worked very well. So a competitive bono was my brother set that standard. Ndo obviously change completely. Yani minyoke marathon. In 2 years, I think because I was trying to measure and do better than him because I had to prove myself.
You won 2002.
Under 4 people. That time I went in under Ford Kenya. And that was, but I think, in fact, Bugirango, you succeed the unity of opposition. Ngirwa katamata ga matanga betamata akotabanga basajaba onya moko unite abakunguru tule chirongi shisikato bage chirongi to kolemrembe abaja bakawa challenge bonzi piba katika Kibaki akatabata ku fill anybody from DP and Singilu ataba SDP. I'm not sending proposing anybody else to katika na bono na Ford Kenya, which was my brother's party. Again really kore kipindi. They all came to campaign for me. Bonzi piba unity of opposition started in South Mugrango. And that's the dream I want to have and play it back with these coming elections so that total can gain. So I succeeded in 2002. Within 4 people again, by God's grace yet, I won a child's heart. So he would send me quickly, and with my agility, some of my colleagues were mentioning them, some are late, they didn't like me. So I was the youngest, and they thought I was going too fast. In fact, what your man, everything, Mokoti, they used to call Mokoti because the by-election, I was the latest entry in that by-election. So I became Mokoti that then.
Mokoti parliament.
As yes. Area 2001, Gonaswa, Janangomoke, the youngest. So he told me to Akuruania Tuanyala Kapaka Gangwa, was said, be Asada, your DM, be a UDA, you say you be a PDA Ford Kenya. No, people, Ford people, if you want to grow too fast, so I also fought you back because I thought you were growing too fast. Again, I got 1 year within the Chinese. So I'm so Moga, Ebononga, Kangamushu, Makakora, and Konga Kumaka, can I call it again? Because also me, you feel very nice, careless, you're a student. You are growing too fast. Anyway, that's what I now bolted out to start ODM. But as I was leaving ODM, I had PDP in the back burner because okay, manyanga hapa kusimba manje kirugi ndio gepokere.
Obwata mune full pack.
Full back. What strategy mose.
Abona abwe studio muno to guchakira mwanjo murigereri tokana mutimo kamukeigo tokwera tunyara kubato kugandira twikire ase omoske omingo magara nyaka bagago choro muna omujumbe so mwaka bwechirubere na 2001 I think mwaka bwechirubere na 2002 arafu nando achori 2002 bachori bonne kweterese kiama gia 40 people na igabone karengere gyo korosi kiama gia ODM gia soire na boigo bado nabwate kiama gia PDP ekikerubo kana bono iga gwera na turu manje murigira tosko share Mwancho muligere karibu nande senseme iga ya kabere yo morobali ISIKO ya ABISI tukulia lero muna twate korra senseme ntangani nigo tole amo na omo jumbe omokorobwe bunge ya South Mugrango uyo ndo berega kolige korokyo basenata se county ya Kisii nilitangani kigima ineba ko tabinga na ere umurai we kiama ya PDP ose kiama kima yitemna obokano umoske James Omingo Magara ditangana ndainga nigatigo James yake ona Omingo Magara ria ya Afrika rioka na konya nigo twanyale ko batuko kwandira igoro ya sabali ya siasa na konya achagire nya twikire se achagire ko gose asoire ase ekiama gosa arosiri gosa bwatira ni gwe sokoro kiama ya ODM esabonto ganda kurigeria igoro mugano ime ya ISIKO ya ABISI batugandire sobwamo Mheshimiwa wa Magara watabanga waikire 2005 na lie kiama ya ODM ya kuiboru na ande no oro ya mwabo bali bako beke mikakati yo korasi kiama giga lakini bado no bisete kia ensemo sabali yenga kia linga wana yo korasi kiama ya ODM
akero nanyoro bokongu bwa ngo ituna ba mitu na Jose bwa rekondo go Misiri my big brothers bakata go msunyuta sana bandu shira ini ese nyumonga ya chayo yetu achanire mono nkangana we can't get exit close in 2003 ili akatwa chaka ngariyo bongaine ngariyo moske amos wako to yanga gasingu sana kwa just game katanga ba konseli gando PDP ngabeke bongaine amos wako approve game PDP ngabeke moske nyarange na chairman kade independent as the 4 people kera I didn't know na rojenga dari nchara ngoma mbaza kwa morembe kwenye banyangire and they were too overwhelming so kana ika wujo moyo position ka grow for the referendum ngoso edimu referendum malia
orange banana
tukamnyokana sana ikagiria ngaranga no na renga no
no yebona yajete yabwate
litunda ikero yeka malia amande valenga se banana to the litunda ekavwa why don't you change this forum into a party ekapabo iko una yaba pronounce dio muna nimbwate PDP lakini ngaranga tinge bwana utakugwa tigara anasema bona jo sokoro kigeza kwa tukulimo tukakasana bona mbege the PDP back bana katokoro so ODM mata ba usi frankly ntuale kuchama na bagara and it was a traditional wasa mambo alengaro na machaya bako moko mitanda tinga tako tikaya anga kibondo kwachiko no chiabu ntwana kusanga mwaka tikata temege ndege wantu wegire sanga kia kisasa musemu nangora wasa ujime kinga nyabi ndebya kore yabe ngakia chiko mabijega ngomanyanga ngongoso ujima alia nganyora ngaudi ya to the acceptance ngatinga kwende PDP back burner. That's how Richard came with PDP. Kana bia tu mera mo ino. No nya gora kongo tanga tati na ngita tanga tabati bia mabe briefcase parties. Give briefcase ya mokonya da ka ale bunga ya Roma eta. Ato kana ngese nyonga ya no musani na mbona ongora mbroke ngese nyonga musani one. Ndanga ya ngente kana ya ujaya. Ila na kana kia kuyete mo na bona ngomba kale nga acha ajira ne ma. Tongore te ngente kana kia ngente. So
ngone rengo mujumu batanga ya PDP
so ekero banyana banjire kiama ga ODM pono ngaranga tiaga bera lakini ujingia konyete ngarwe through passing ngaki kanda ODM moina yangu moina aria era gacha ni kiama kiria so ekero bagi anjirana ingatoko na be front runner mwana abantu bandi bakubodunga mbali kwegena ngani yara go merinde ya
odi ni se ko for the people
ya so moina mwaka ya buje no ali no jide tade machi sare ngari so ndanga my colleagues in parliament ndanga muse yende kemono kero kindo zinga kuasirire kya how ngakyura bingo mwaka ni muzigete ni amto yasinye ko sigede ko so ama ade nje ngweri ngerinde wale bungo tabe na ki tiago bavuguvugu you are either cold or hot mwana gabi yasinye diganga na moina nende kantenga bono ebo twakora mabera kapata bi neema ya bwana iko I went by faith so and for sure that time I was another dog and the mzee was a big name
nare ngo determine kusiga siasa
so luckily ngase kama utira jai my dream yani yadenga kandi zero isiko grow 1 point up
ikambo
that's a positive iko na amu narusi 1 point plus abande valia so kaita kanaiga ndo atananta sengazi by that case ODM kanya chukura more than 65% in Kisii etana cover since independence later on no matter what happened was bagatamuna bakolete so ngawa swaime ibruka na yaba bakarosia tukarosia coalition government unaona jangoro ranga machana na sekuzi you know na kolile na lebe gudo karabirija ngao umaitengarema na number 7 ase akia Pentagon akeroko li Pentagon saba na number 7 na arenge 1 2 3 4 and number chipaka na between 1 and 10 ejectro reserved nan montako number nani ntaka decide bono ngira na ODM number 7 inko ele reserved for me ko kali mo ambi bakangala ro Kongo ende bora baka bete yarenge coalition government dada kayo 50% na kibaka tena 50% ngama kayo half of the 50 so igona nenge quarter minister
okay, 25%.
Bono quarter minister onde igona ngonto kinakimba 50 minister 50% minister but then kama iko ngasabu na seminar for trade lakini senga nje bidina biria ekipatition kabeko that time mnabe kupatition area I got about 10,000 votes. My number 2 petition Manson had about 5,300. Ingatabanga kijiko raide bara. Kumbe ganebe kengoli. Bakabara actually kanyora more than what I got. Musinga katanga chukuro juma they were commerce and they were not credible for agenda by election. Why boss? In actually 11,000 was the same as 4,800 according to mathematics Musinga. And that's why I think judiciary na hata wakamaramboro bonene baka kole biasara bikong bono timu ya nega chanyari baga most of the four people fraternity all went home baka nyari baga mos baka mbaraga
bangi ga
baga ke nanda baba to bokubosie bantu ba guru baka lanji mijiba ba to ngano jada na karibu bana basoke to gaita yo
by election
ya 2010 umanisi nakabo mujumbe ubugirango since that time I'm out here and I'm extremely happy man because God has been gracious to me.
Wano korwa bu 2010 to chiti kutwara kangana ndio kabu mujumbe
I thought like the vuru ngara soka 2013 ngaranga ligamonde ngendege tikanga ne county nende bono nabona atagire ngane nyombane nayo nabaye go atuko nyombane nangagiye aba house again of course the wars gojembara gojantura urodi mbona ekadanga by election remember sorry before I finish during my by election now ODM also now I had several wars to fight for the people of fraternity have regrouped against me and they had to revenge. In Kisii, they were saying this boy is growing too fast, too soon. He must be contained. I said, thank God, I grew too fast and I made an impression when it lasted. I thank God. Bana, the old folks, the senior politician Kisii, thought I was growing too fast. They had also to work against me in terms of mantle of courage.
Bana ko batiene mikuru ango.
To chakike sona, iga iganka, ba mateno mosho guru nyombe, na ndo kwa swa igata tu. Bas. Ndo ajiri kusindoje kumurusho bede igana. Kara nyegeria. Aiga ekiama that time when it was in Naruto. I mean, and he was a minister for agriculture, and the assistant minister, and we used to work a lot of good things together. Now, can I give to my career? Make scandal. Injira makwanga den kamuruje. The other more president, as a president, I was job where I was no. Injira muruje to mumu grama, we give to mango musi babare. Kamakonya pi. Karara moga said the mono. When you must tell
the essential motion.
Kabisa. He do much. Kamakonya area. So I right another bono. You see, there's a clan war, there is a Kisii region supremacy war, there is a party war. But Nandi go nationally, Nandi go DM. They don't trust me too well because I was about a member. And I think as a Maguaria, I can never petition I get successful. ODM did not want to give me a ticket. Actually, ya Makwere, ya Gachalaita, Pakatanga in Matuga, we have a candidate Manyoa. Nade ya Gitalaita. Inchina Tangan to go by petition, Nganyete, Nantura, your Roman candidate, and I'm national treasurer. Ngabatenga Batinga, keep it. Keep it. Now you see, Narakonya, Nakonya Rudolia, Tatagit. You got the thing at Tuta Sink.
Nyota ya Ruto na nangu kina yale ngishinga kieje.
Kuna kina renge bwana ndaka na munjira makonya yakina bwana matonye bire. Lakini abasi asabere. So, you check it Jones P. I said was number 2. Alright. ODM now was fighting ODM na nyacha nyumba. Nyacha kambwa with Manson, lakini ODM bwana kataka to number 3. I actually felt nice. So 2013 ngatabatigona constituency tikanga the upper thing ngaswa ngatakoborio bo senator. Indeed, Ausi, and I must thank them on camera that they have trusted me all this time because I got 111,000 votes.
2013
PDP alone. 2017 nanenga na PDP nganyana 124 10% increase.
Gradual increase.
Ebono ubuhanjiri busani ubuno utokora nsabono. 2017 ngakora ki sama soldanga inye. Bato na ngomingo takomyoka yebweka. Takomyoka yebweka bono liye team. Omaite ngatika bonyagiro kwa PDP. Ngamnyoka ngati yangonyo musikiruto. Katenga ngati Ruto William Mr President sir. Deputy ndini ngumaro kabira. Utale kwa chandika makali mato sio kile mato kwa guys in the coalition. Akana umaite that's to and I trusted him. Ngatika mosenga so aime. Wana so amalia. Bono ngonyo yanga naende. Igabu hata bamraba. Simas mafia tu. Pake jigende paka bono wajibu hata maskati yabo na mono. Naende utoko banga babangura. Nguburi ngaende I like order myself. The boss iga we don't be right. Naende nyango chikuria gero kikira watu kajama tambile pi bakata indi ubo sene governor. I even crafted a team.
Yeah.
Because Ogamba was my deputy. This Kisii and Nyamira was my senator. I was looking for women rep to complete the deal. But I don't know what much of Chile. The under changing it, or I get the Abunto voice tomorrow. Krasnya, but I want to get the I can't get the India. But you got to the India, but we are running away from not being a lone ranger. You must form a team. Habanonga massive jubilee, so Buraka. Gonna take the game vacant. Bada water as a leader, but he was so important. He couldn't fly. He didn't even register as a member. That's why PDP performed very badly last elections. Before elections, they had it over about 15. And it was about being advised convenient again. The team was also I don't stress within. Towards the tail end, in fact, I had wanted to quit. That I said, no show. And indeed, quite a number of people were saying, it doesn't matter where you are, we need your leadership here. Jubilee, it didn't work. I'm sorry, Obura didn't take off because of Simba's onslaught. You are the deputy governor to Chake South. The deputy governor for Gure. You're in the treasury. Baka was also not a politician. The lady was also a new horn. Gure, who was supposed to be team leader, was caged forever. I actually ran even a more singular race than that I did in 2017. Surprise, surprise.
On paper you were a team, but
zero. Surprise, surprise. The best vote ever. I got 135,000 votes. And for you, I won. This is not a joke. But I suffered local political wars. There were two NMCs in Kisii, and without missing words, fact, they were eyeing Raila's attention. If he becomes president, who becomes minister? One was serving in government, one was a former governor. So the one who was serving government had more muscle and money. Boss, he terrorized us the last minute.
Gerali kalimunandese enseme ya mwali kigima ya morobelisiko ya ABISI asitogante kugamba amo n'umujumbe mutangani kigima bwe bunge ya South Mugirango omurayi bwe kiama kia PDP na boigo oyoberega kurigero kyo basenatase county ya Kisii kurwaso mwaka bwe mechiri bubere na 13 omusike OMINGO MAGARA askana twekere nigotogante kurigero linga biriya gante okora ISIKO gambire bikuru 2013 kuika bonega 2025 ku 2010 wekala rwete bunge wika 2025 nanga batokurigereria mange na bono umweshimiwa bonegese twekere tokurigereria ingikelio gokora bonega ngwatamiko kwera sabiri kwa beri gokora kelio gokora bonega munatoliga bonega na kelio bangete gokora mambe na mambiende akoro mwana siasa yaro mate bana siamba likuta rais ni mate nga 2027 yara na bora nyako bwate sabende yotra boko yakona linga ngikegenderete
bia bono karo mnandesika Mbwate a company called Accountability Institute Limited. Eko kora mangana ya oboso me mangana governance within the Dubuya. Na oboro kerelia wanto sense ya sesema ya management na ntobwate gasi ntoko kora training sesema ya oversight is counties na county assemblies mwa train about committee work, oversight, and parliamentary procedures and programs because they get into accordingly, and that's an experience to buat. Mono na ende tu buat same to kora revenue enhancement strategy. Utume knowledge area na revenue authority. Inchi na ngo mutanga niko chaka Kakamega County Revenue Agency ibono kere company kere county gokora a small care equivalent in the county igere bona bantu ba motivated bakanubuya banyoje babulie barusie bangobuya nandi banyore ngeri yabo muna care gokora so tugatubanga Kakamega yende kibono it's playing out very well to what the company do and they said the director the chairman your board go Reftek Innovations Limited nede go koragas ya helping raising revenue to counties by doing three things. The thangani ko kurusia bango ko ikonyo utumeka abantu bakaba motivated the people face of that agency but ko ibera mainga bosinga ndo bako muri mutinyengia bako bali sangire bango. Number 2 ko collect data ikogero chukumanyanga ensema yi account gete fulani kwa manyanga nkigira ali account yeli aso chikurusia bango. That's called data collection. Ya gatatu to manyakana na automation. So this is a 3-phase program of what about people phase. You give them information and data to populate and do collect revenue. Come and go digitize that collection ebe cashless kero meta besa kidogo boko iwato temptation chinyinge. So that's what we do. Beyond that, ningora industry real estate, rakora development ibinyombe gaso konyora karete kwa soka, lakini naende nimbo at passion asobodo ngwechombe enkolisi de chombe rende ekigara bono toko macha to
nane kwa kalisi chombe
ekuruko na kalisi chombe nane skuru nduru nganga ngatende kaswa sefa mugarabura si chombe igona bondo chenga is a passion and a hobby at the same time. That's I think what I do as outside politics. And then of course go rangirona kwa na bantu bande gasa motivational talk not abantu bakomenya outside parliament because abasani bana bange sabari bare imebono baukanga kakiruko dinge kuruo. I am telling them, those ones who brag, it too shall pass. And when it passes, who are you beyond that office?
Andeskana bako mikosa.
Ya yembe onera. Oneshi mema toko nyoro monta kwa ego kuminga ki network yasira. Mandu
kwa kabuna kwa usikiro ke kikabana ba.
Lakini mono njuge sieki ya bosani bodi bwana bantu bana. Tuanje ndiliyo ka runo ogwanda na hii.
Na kesiasa bono ngiro bereti kochimatua.
Now, I forwarded kama yako PDP. Ya so miriga radio minto na ke gato kure mbere abantu mugono igutwara mbere nyina omugano ngwato mutambe for people not one ngere yaro mugero mya kaya jasi na jaji daga wona lakini PDP no gataki no ere ngaka cha odia mutato minto paka ebe yasio bikanya and religious lego na soka kabatika 300 million in the account agare gonna sign off onyemba korra makoso na banda madro cha babwa scandal ngabanga scandal kale hakuna ama professional accountant kabatika bitao biri ngacha ka URP ngole na Ruto William Musani na mono URP kaje kamaji na Jubilee bakantige para iko ko dentro na video batanga bona ayabona bosina bakemule. That's the talk they have kana garatu ora to atabanga rainya cha buri presidency raira atatanga wakisingwa mkuru ngapi bono bochingo bura mutatu kusirika kiya bono aya tukachaka ngaswa UDA mwana chaketa bonchari anga emyokigo wana kama ali na wana ngara kubo ora to isene ke kaba kenengero into the best moko and those. My vision before I die, you want to think andra ngomugusi obera second, whether it's me or somebody else, lakini provide a platform omugusi mtabe samwa
na yungwetrese kiama ya PDP
talikioka tuone toigwana ni bemba osibiagusi. I'm also inviting, we have already unatoka na bono hiyo ubachi coalition isatu Kenya Kwanza pre-election, Azimio pre-election, Taifa Democratic Coalition post-election.
Yeah.
It's a party of PDP, Kenya National Congress, and Kenya Social Congress who came together Busima bakaweka na hamo abachumbi bari ba UDA bari wacha kwa namba ibere minority leadership Taifa kaira obu asumboro asobombo bwebyama right like ngosa bereka gocha kabona
yetenere na moske
in the county assembly, of course, the parties remain the same.
Then somebody mara.
So alia obwa sumbura sigema kangabono akere mechano yuti kutosumba busika igere utusumbwete kangumutaka wa whip from UD headquarters. Wodo denga ki tatoba twaba local.
Ono whipping yeko baroko.
Local whipping.
Ekagarabono ko Benjamin Gisore.
Gisore ya na chama kwenda na Charles Magara kaba secretary thank you. Into my party leaders were just patrons of this particular thing. Bone obisina buo. Twa rangeria bantu misati na muraina na CP PPOA kiamba ki asare secretary to mote bia so ema twarangeria we have discussion na baka bande buna bono Gavana Nyamira na chairman ya Kisii. We had a meeting to currency to kwandre we are agreeing aki bono utwara gusie kama omugusia to konyoro mo gosoko kugisiko tanya ko nyora bantu bande ko choswasi PDP na baso moroba gusi baba beso bekasgete to kwere ma twenzi amo utwaikira sto atabire nga muna inche manso ntwara kupingana ko machikura ntwara korana. Lakini me tell you, Onye Ruto ho kuna Raila lero. Inki manso ni mito ta kwana ko. Inki to ta kwana kengero minto. Inki kema Kenya ribo ki sekere sama ya UPA ase kere owned by Matiang'i. So akira matokore genteke. In fact ori uchukuri chikura cha presidency. Igare ne faida nene asoko nyoro ese to mwarire mukeka kurara atire uchigoro. One ndiko li presidency. No. Wanyengori geroko mongo boso senta bona bori abantu bakongira bakabara nane bawo chibakara kasi burunge monko onye bako. Even if I don't get, so long as I pay enkorosio ya foundation ya coalition no mugusi. To sikuna intulimo. Ekiagara musomindo.
Amaskana lengo tutana tu, no na lengo
makake. Thank you. Bia montata na bushi kwa nyori tata. Katwange ngakiria na muga kanyasha twange twazi. Bakimsumikiana. Ogotara bushi muzimungo yomo minister, you get what you want.
Ama etenga we maiga ya umbaro na
nane. Gusitwa yantu ziri moto nyocha ya bushi ya tutaro utaso okorere. Mwantu agedelimo tugatebanga tokonyere sekretari para egatwa. Bona graba tuaje matanga yo pore abantu bakorera ngaki bajume nga otu awuri rugendoki astrip. Ngopori kaya renge Quran. You should be telling us ngaki bona ngentoko baturire tuategete run away in time Boeing 707 nekugwa na batatu. Strip ya rengo teyo. I mean I told them you are playing games. Ninki atujali. Ingabona kamura abo busi mbama etenga turam amase. We are telling them today we are not going to have business as usual. Ayo wotrante na ODM na ante bono ya katwa kama makomo. Oto kuvuri na ki to asha ya ito kira kacha kona otabi na ki.
Share sibu.
Share sanjiro. Omuntu oguru kingi igare senta speaker machime kusimbabe. Weta abaseneta yamo ero tente gari. Mutuwa obutwa oirana ingi ekyami ya chapu mande chapu. Oyo nde kuria obutwa ogo advisor. Asa njari gere shares. Osoro shares gyabo ato. Macho wabutu angaheta ngangere bono mwa. Osoro pata shares. Mwaka simba na rano otabire byo na rango no chagira ko bya. Iga tabanga ki. Na bono business as usual no pia sinto what. Onye toko chikopa moyo. Ayanjuma to wade ma na to kwerere ma to le hamo oyo kuruzu kana mingi ato lentera. Goso to kuli gwa boko. Nabasandi baito kurusiku tato chiko basa chikuli gwa boko oyo ingage gusinkere yote banga ki ngangijira abantu bomutaba kure omurumba abo chiko mugorokeri umuchi abana bali kubiyara umuchi rwa chiko gorokya bali kurugwa bawo
nabo umuchi oli
bono ndakabatenga ki takobeka abana ubwebe ngambu chakaboma. And we are saying we mansono yogo ya mwaya Omingo Magara Kenya Social Congress musikemati yange wetera sebe jaribo we have agreed to tusikulimo to share ya ito ntona ko
muchi stop cha
muchi zo buchire and that's what we must stop. Naende ono murayo kwana ngantu bwate barai usimba kwa ndikora. I think it's an insult. Gona ya gwa ranga nyokombo sare kwa mugibyanjo kwa mu abantu. It's a shame.
Ngoyole basi.
Nabantu ngakinga mugusite okuhamba uranyana kuhamba abandi bakugwana iko ekara bakuri gichukura abari ngechintakana. It's truly a shame. I'm embarrassed kubakwana ura barabo kara mbali worth speaking about.
Na abana mheshimiwa se ngole ngiliboli ryo mwa eli akabiri kyo mwa eli tujye gukorera na se nsemo ye family gaga to kwana isiko ya bisto tige family na arona makonya ngatwa mochira kaigo igoro ye family yao nkiora nyaiko bago kwana bone yao munayo manyene James Omingo Magara.
A very, very supportive wife. Uyo baba tunda. For children.
And to go to work.
Among to go for children, and one of them are through school. They married metra to go here. That means school biego. Metra to go here. I want to go work among a number of monarchy na renge sigari abana bakabane. Na baba ngesira ada kuruka na baba na mama. Kia most of the time when the go in and out. Rimanga jaro garona rekuru gatiwa na sabari ndo chairman ya PSC. Njaro kono renga about 5 years. Ikamboto nga daddy. No, I think she was 7 years. Kama daddy. You know, it's good to be a politician, yes. But the other day you were in Canada, then you went to the US. And then I'm told, then you came back, went to England. And I was packing Chianga and Mombasa, and you go report to your public accounts committee. Now, you're going to Mombasa. And I know for sure from Mombasa, you will go to Kisii. But you're never home. Actually, what I did, Langat was the vice chair. We didn't talk about the vice chairs, but you appoint. Langat, I have an emergency here, whichever report you write, I would endorse it. I have to give them time. There's nothing that beats quality time. Nothing beats quality time of the children. When my wife will be supportive, I think we have had a good time. Even when I'm going to walk with me or watch and I'm out with yoga and your book, and talk with them in the name of your born. And of course, I had a good parents. I want to really remember my dad.
Na hapo na kukolera sense mwe mweli kwa kuwa nanga umusomi na ko tati bintu bitatu byegenzo ibina ari kwa yakara kwa kana into bimanye no lyo ligete bya gatemba bimanye na ari ko sembinya kwa kumokonya sema ndio zene.
I had good parents, and both of them arrested, and all of them are very good friends of mine. Lakini nkonyoro mwako minto mwaka hospital, a great man. Even every time we sat together over meal to kuragara go sto saba to agolo saba bitatu na mbaye mo abana bane muri burimo fact uri burimo to koigotera ikori bukumuragire. What it means is ongene ribono utabuka burimo buria enga buno mutu kureme ngoro utubengoro ria ukore mengorende, so you like running ukumnyoka gutamo muri ngari o to mutanga maranga to gutiga. Number 2, to nywa marua to tinda, lakini onye gutakonyo kanyura kinonta binga to gutinda, lakini ko manyita iga kukunywa yamo ya kabere gwaso ya katatu ya kabere ya katatu gotane ya kana ya tana engia gotane ya gutinda guso kontenga to gutinda dilario kanyu. But if you know you can't, and for sure you never do, please don't touch. The worst and the most painful one akamakyomo elio liaki kula ya haramu. A year fashionable in this country today, and I'm ashamed to say it. Ubosoko yani nga kila muntu akutaokemo yude yani kuosha kila muntu muosho mmoja. And used to give an example ngabono yana kulimbo bana banega ekero kuwa chire nayo ukugambeke ubure mugabo mukamu murumu abu muntu abu akakule atiko murubure no bata bana badina abo mugakoyo bobeke murumu mwabo murumba okule na kwaje kugamba jombe mukungu akaje ngabona mako matiko mungina yeke na kyaona gwaso yete ngachisinji miberabu indenji ko kugambire kina keria you know munginta bwatigenda hakora o muke tuwane irali osiri one shilingi 150 ya tranyo rega 200 ogana muno ni mata gaga sikonyuma uri konyoge bwese ko chinda kereri misuri uri kindibaza gusira kyata umutako muchwa kwa musabana ndi shilingi shinda 50 oichuriri akorentere mwaka mayako uri naki kama kubekenda gere mesa abantu bawo baragere usijinde waka nefisi mbaya tamatem kwa gane bagenda bago etape abongo bako besmiti. So magana yatato akankonya, and I thank him. When I see the issue of corruption in this country, it's a shaming. Also kumboro, and we are calling out to leaders. And I want to echo the Gen Zs who stood up to tell the guys that, oh please king, you are naked. And you treat the symptoms of Gen Z, the wound is still open.